Yes guys, still walking towards my gate. 19th board my plane. Going to Alanya, Antalya to spend a wonderful Christmas. Yeah, let's rest, have some food to eat. I don't have to cook nothing, just relax and chill. Yeah. Yes, now I'm approaching 19, gate 19. We're approaching gate 19. Yes guys, that's our plane there. Let's put in the bridge across to hit. At the moment, so in a little while I'll be boarding. We're at Gatwick Airport at the moment.
You're almost doing absolutely.
That is Sun Express plane that we're going on. We're going to Alanya in Antalya to celebrate Christmas. Alright, I'm out at the moment until later. Just guys, we are in Gatwick Airport South Terminal, yeah? You can see a couple of planes at the moment. Now we are walking towards the gate. We are going towards gate 19. Yeah, going to Antalya. Just a little sneak preview of what's happening. Yeah, all right.